Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer science fiction. It's all around us, powering the apps we use, the cars we drive, and even the way businesses make decisions. But what exactly is AI? How does it work? In this video, we'll break down the fundamentals of AI technologies in simple terms. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It's a branch of computer science that allows computers to learn, reason, and make decisions. AI isn't just one single technology. It's a collection of several core technologies that work together to make machines smarter. Machine learning is the backbone of AI. It's the ability of machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. For example, when Netflix recommends a movie or Amazon suggests a product, that's machine learning at work. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. It's behind technologies like voice assistants, facial recognition, and self-driving cars. NLP is the AI technology that helps computers understand and respond to human language. It's what powers chatbots, language translation tools, and even AI writers like ChatGPT. Computer vision allows machines to see and interpret the world visually. From scanning barcodes in supermarkets to analyzing X-rays in hospitals, this technology is transforming multiple industries. Robotics combines AI with mechanical engineering to create intelligent machines. From assembly lines to surgical robots, AI-driven robotics improves precision, speed, and efficiency. AI is everywhere. In healthcare, it detects diseases faster. In finance, it predicts market trends. In smart homes, it automates daily tasks. And in education, it personalizes learning experiences. As AI evolves, we'll see even more exciting developments, like fully autonomous vehicles and advanced AI systems. But with this growth comes the responsibility to ensure AI is ethical, safe, and beneficial for everyone. So those are the fundamentals of artificial intelligence technologies. From machine learning to robotics, AI is reshaping the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. The future is AI, and it's happening now.